Hi, today we will download the latest WhatsApp for desktop and link it to the phone reviews. Firstly, google.com and then WhatsApp. Heading to the first source, click on download. Under Mac or Windows PC, click download for Windows. If you're using Mac, then simply click on Mac. It's downloaded and install it. It's installed properly, and there will be a QR code which is asking you to scan through your phone and link it. And your phone is linked. And by this way you can simply install WhatsApp on your PC and can link your PC WhatsApp to your phone and use it wherever you want. Okay, and I hope you really found this useful. If you did so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.